Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Sorento vs Captiva full comparison. Follow along as I highlight engine performance, interior space, safety features, technology, and long-term ownership costs so you can make a confident choice. I'll keep explanations simple, use clear examples, and point out real trade-offs so you know what matters most before you shop or test drive either SUV. Let's talk performance and economy in a friendly way so you can understand real-world driving differences between the two models. I'll describe engine options, turbo behavior, and hybrid benefits, explain how they change acceleration and towing, and outline expected fuel use in city and highway driving. That context helps predict running costs, maintenance expectations, and which setup suits commuting, family hauling, or occasional road trips. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for road trip snacks and easy trunk organization. Great for family test drives. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. And thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore space and safety with clear comparisons that focus on passenger comfort and protection. I'll compare seating layouts, cargo capacity with seats folded, and everyday usability for kids or pets. On safety, we'll review standard driver assists, crash test tendencies, and optional packages that matter. Together, we'll weigh which SUV provides better practicality and the safety features that give you confidence on daily drives and long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.